Okay, wait, look at this. This is my hair with just plaits. Flat, thin, very much trust the process. And this is the same base with crochet hair installed. Full, curly, voluminous, and super lightweight. Today I'm showing you how I achieved these viral miracle knots on natural hair, but in a way that's way easier and way faster. I'm using hair from Ywigs. I got their 18-inch Spanish curl and I ordered 5 bundles of that. I'm starting on freshly washed hair, got them in these 4 sections, and it's still damp. So working on one section at a time, I'm adding some oil and then blow drying. Once everything's dry, I'm gonna make a part going from ear to ear to split my hair into a front and back half. Whenever I'm doing braids, I like to do the back first. So I'm taking this braiding gel, and after I section off a medium-sized box, apply that onto my roots, then split the hair into 3 pieces and start plaiting that down, making sure to hold the hair tight so the roots stay flat. You know, nothing fancy here, just neat, secure individual plaits. Now when I get to about the last quarter of the hair, I'm adding a dab more of that braid gel and I'm consolidating the pieces from 3 to 2 and then tightly twisting the rest of the way down. The reason I'm twisting the bottom is because once you start getting towards the ends, plaiting becomes more difficult as the hair gets thinner. So twisting keeps the flow going and it also makes it so much easier when you want to remove the style. So again, make medium-sized boxes. Apply braid gel to smooth down the roots. Plait tightly until you get down towards the ends. Once it starts becoming a little difficult to comfortably plait the 3 sections, add more braid gel, combine the ends into 2 pieces, and twist all the way down. And as you can see by themselves, the plaits look very flat and thin, but that's all about to change. So y'all, this is my very first time doing miracle knots without any added braiding hair, and just that alone significantly cut down on the time and effort. No having to ration out the hair on a braiding rack, no having to pull hair to add into the braid. But what makes this method even more beginner friendly is that I'm not doing any feed in at all, not even with the crochet hair for the ends. So what I did is insert my crochet hook at about the midpoint, straight through each braid. Attach the crochet hair by the string, pull it over so it comes through the braid, remove the hook, and through this loop here, simply bring the ends of the crochet hair right through the middle of the opening, then pull to tighten. I'm looping 3 to 4 pieces of curly feather crochet hair around the top half of each natural plait and leaving my ends straight. That's it. Literally takes like 5 seconds for each piece, and because I'm not braiding the feather crochet at the bottom, this makes this install so much quicker, and it also means no weight or tension on fragile ends. The feather crochet construction with the thin string in the middle makes it lay so flat on the braid, and let me tell you, this took me less than half the time of a traditional boho braid install. If you've ever done boho braids the regular way, you know how long that can take. With this install here, it was about 2.5 hours to part and plait my hair, but I was filming, so it probably would have taken me like 2 hours regularly, and then an hour and a half to loop in the feather crochet. So this method cuts styling time down significantly, especially if you're doing your own hair. And because the Spanish curl hair is so full and bouncy, it creates enough volume to camouflage my natural ends extremely well. So visually, it still looks like the full miracle knots, but the process is way simpler. And because I didn't add braiding hair or do feed in, this style feels ultra lightweight. I kept this in for about 3 weeks. I could have worn it for longer. I just wanted to switch my look up. And like I mentioned earlier, since the ends of my hair are twisted, very easy to undo them. So when you want to remove, all you do is untwist and unplait your natural braid, and then the crochet hair is released. You can put it up and store it to use it again. I used 4.5 out of the 5 bundles to get this level of fullness. And if you're interested, this Spanish curly hair from Ywigs is linked below in the description box. Honestly, this was so easy easy, so fast, and the look was so bomb. I might never go back to the traditional method, but y'all weigh in. What do you think of this look? Would you try miracle knots this way, or do you prefer the full feed-in technique? Let me know in the comments.